It's road tripping, it's food tripping, and it's day tripping with Heinz Verified. I am Stephen Key, heading to 3 cities I've never been to. To visit 17 restaurants you have to taste to believe. I'm not just eating, I'm finding out what it takes to run these places, verifying the very best. First day in Pittsburgh. These buildings are crazy. If you didn't tell, I think I'm in New York right now.
They've got great sports, great music, great food, so that's why I'm here. I just came to eat.
Yeah, I hope I don't forget that. Pittsburgh is the perfect city to start because we were sent on this trip by Heinz. And Pittsburgh is the home of Heinz.
Yes.
When a city has something go as global as Heinz does, it must be a pride for the whole city.
'Cause I wanna fly, but I haven't learned to run. I'm scared to die without having any fun.
Hello everybody, I am Stephen E here with Heinz Verified in Pittsburgh for one day. We're gonna hit 3 spots, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm gonna find out what's special about the city, about the restaurants, and maybe pick up a few skills on myself. This is Kelly's Diner, our breakfast spot of the day. I've been told Kelly is somewhat of an absolute local legend. Kelly's gonna put me to work, and I'm here for it. How old is the restaurant?
So I bought my first restaurant 23 years ago. I took this one over 13 years ago, and then my third one I took over 5 years ago. And the bar I just opened 2 weeks ago, so
That's a new adventure?
that's a new adventure, yeah. I've met millions of people, millions and millions from doing this.
Yeah.
For 46 years I've been doing this. Well, how I made a living was waiting on tables, meeting strangers, you know?
Yeah.
Reporting for work, sir. Right, nice. Apron, gloves.
Got it. Great. Totally didn't fail my first task of putting on the apron.
We got a mixed grill, that's all down here on our own side, and then special French toast. For toast, grab a whole butter, take this, you're gonna dip your bread, both sides, on the grill.
This looks delicious already, by the way.
It's
So crispy. Looks golden. How do you resist the urge to just eat it? Yeah, I was asking Adam that, and he told me that there's like customers here that come here 5 days a week.
They do. Some people that'll eat breakfast here and then go to their other store and eat lunch later.
Tell me about the sauces. What kind of sauces do you guys use?
So we have a bunch of different stuffs, a little bit of hot Heinz 57s, ketchup, Heinz mustard, really great, everybody loves it.
We're getting the secret recipe right
Wow, I left a few things out. We got our special French toast here, a fan favorite.
It's strawberry filling. What is that made out of?
It's cream cheese. We have strawberry sauce, fresh strawberries, with powdered sugar.
So I did not expect fruits in a sandwich. Susan orders up.
Why are you laughing and smiling, honey? We're really busy. I need you to start waiting on these tables.
Okay, got you. Ready? So, them.
Yes, this is your table right here.
Hello everyone, I am Steven. I'll be your server for this morning, this afternoon.
How you doing, Steve? How you doing?
Very
How
good.
you doing?
What can I get you started with?
I like to get started with meatloaf. Yep, scrambled cheese eggs.
Scrambled cheese eggs. Is the cheese scrambled or is the egg scrambled? Both.
4 sauces patty.
4 sizes patties?
No, 4 sauces patty.
Size patties, sorry, yeah. I think you are a local legend because I think everybody we've spoken to knows about you. How does one become a Pittsburgh legend?
I bartended on Penn Avenue and I was praying to God after my children's father died. What should I do? I need to do something. And I heard somebody say, go to the diner. I didn't have any money and they told me it wasn't for sale and I left my name and my number, and the next day the owner called me and said my daughter has MS and I had a slight heart attack and I'm ready to sell. And I was like, great, you don't have any money. So I refinanced my house and I begged and pleaded with banks and personal lenders and I couldn't get anywhere, and she ended up being my lender.
Okay, what can I get for you?
I have an order of halushi, kibasi,
and Brody's.
Is that a cocktail or?
Nope,
No, not a cocktail.
that might help.
They've just given me a fantastic order. These guys know what they want. So that's a blue ski, is it?
Halushki.
Halushki.
Yep. Wait a second. I am the joy. That was pretty funny. Avloski. Oh, here's breakfast. Have you ever tried our sausage gravy and biscuits? It's homemade sausage. How could you go wrong, right?
Try. I'm very much looking forward to this. Oh, I love gravy. Oh, I love gravy. Gravy is one of my favorite things. Do you guys use Heinz ketchup a lot?
On everything. I see people put that on everything, like all over it. Like
that?
I guess, make it look pretty. He's trying it. He's like, yeah, I'm getting down. Give me that. You have to make room. You need room. Ah, there we go. Strawberry stuffed French toast.
I made one of these inside, but I just dipped the bread in the egg. Feels like a
A long
milkshake.
time.
And what is that?
That's just syrup. But
Syrup.
the rest of this is all homemade stuff, right?
Our legend, yes.
Legend in this city, and I'm proud that Heinz knew who I was.
Our channel and our millions of fans are gonna know who you are as
Oh,
well.
I love that. I love
You're a
that.
celebrity now.
Thank you for picking us and my team and me and Kelly O's. We're very grateful for that. I started with nothing, and when you start with nothing, then you know that it's laying on the line for yourself.
And you take care of so many Google, but customers and staff.
All right, too. I try as best I can.
Thank you so much for
Thank you.
Oh my god. I just almost ate that whole thing. Wow. And I'm going to continue eating it. But this morning, we became a chef, a waiter, and a family member of Kelly O's. That was really sweet.
You did it, you're verified!
Wow, what a way to kick off our first day in Pittsburgh, the home of Heinz, with Kelly O's Diner. I feel like I have family in Pittsburgh now. This is awesome. So, next stop, Coughlin's Law for lunch. I'll see you there. Dude, Kelly O's was amazing. She's like a mythical person, and also the food. I had this thing that was like dessert for breakfast. It had strawberry jam and stuff. Oh, you would have loved it.
I guess I probably would have, but I didn't get that. Did you bring me food?
Yeah, I might have forgotten to bring. You know what? Actually, never mind. I know this place. We gotta go check it out anyway. I gotta go verify it. It's called Shorty's. I want to take you there.
Okay.
Trust.
I could do breakfast at Shorty's.
They are amazing. So we forgot some food for Randy, but that's all right because we're here at Shorty's. We're gonna get something he loves, and then we're gonna verify this place.
Hey, Steven, how you doing?
Very well, thank you.
I got your brunch burger here. So we got bacon, egg, cheese, hash browns on a smashed patty, and I made a special Heinz maple ketchup for you on there.
A special? This is like a
Special.
one-of-one.
Just for you, yep.
That's all. Randy's gonna love this. I will be right back and have some gifts for you, sir.
Sounds good.
Right back.
Yeah.
This is a little gift from Heinz.
Oh, thank you so much. Cheers. I'll put this to good use.
Yeah. Heinz wanted me to give you something very special. Nobody knows what it is.
Oh, thank you so much.
Have you tried it?
No, tell me all about it.
I'll give it a shot. So he told me it was a very special one made just for you. They actually experimented on a special sauce with our Heinz ketchup right there.
Awesome. I'm starving.
Oh, we gotta go. We gotta drive right now. We're gonna be late for Coughlin's Law. Come on, we gotta. Yeah, I'll take that for you. Well, you can enjoy this later when we are learning how to make probably cocktails. Let's go.
Fine.